Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Cassandra deposited $550 in her saving account. If the bank provides 2% interest on the money in the account every year, write an expression that describes how much money will be in her account in 6 years. How much money will be Cassandra have in her account after 6 years? Here, we have given Cassandra deposited $550 in her saving account and also we have given that 2% of interest on the money every year. So, in 6 years, the money will be, we can represent this by the expression 550 e to the power 0.02 into 6. That is, after solving this, we get $620.12. Hence, after 6 years, Cassandra have $620.12 in her account. So from available options, we have option B as $620.12.